Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emily. Today we have an amazing topic, how you can improve your communication skills in just 30 days.
Yes, whether it's talking to friends, speaking in meetings, or even interviews, communication is the key to success.
And we're going to guide you step by step with practical tips, exercises, and even real life examples. By the end of 30 days, your speaking confidence will improve drastically.
So grab a notebook, get ready, and let's dive in.
Before we start, let's talk about what communication really is. Alex, how would you define it?
Well, communication isn't just talking. It's about expressing your ideas clearly, listening actively, and connecting with people.
Exactly. You can know a lot, but if you can't express it, people won't understand you.
And good communication isn't just about words, it's also your tone, gestures, and confidence.
So, step 1 in our 30-day journey is understanding yourself and building confidence.
Week 1 is all about self-confidence. You need to feel comfortable with yourself before talking to others.
Here's a simple daily plan for week 1. Day 1 to 3, stand in front of a mirror and introduce yourself. Say your name, hobbies, and one interesting fact. Notice your posture, gestures, and facial expressions.
It sounds simple, but this builds self-awareness, which is key for confident communication. Day 4 to 5, record yourself talking about a topic you like. Listen carefully to your voice, tone, and clarity. Identify areas to improve, like speed or pronunciation.
And don't be harsh on yourself. Every mistake is a step forward. Day 6 to 7, smile and greet at least 3 people in English. Use simple phrases like, "Hi, how are you?" or "Good morning."
These small daily actions may seem minor, but they train your mind and body to be confident in communication.
Week 2 is about what you say. A strong vocabulary helps you express ideas more clearly.
Absolutely. Here's a practical plan. 1. Learn 5 new words daily and use them in sentences. 2. Practice common phrases for greetings, asking questions, and sharing opinions. 3. Read a short article and summarize it aloud in English.
For example, if today's word is confident, you can say, "I feel confident speaking in front of my team."
And remember, don't just memorize words. Use them in conversations. That's the real practice.
Week 3 focuses on listening skills, which is often overlooked.
Communication isn't just speaking, it's listening and responding appropriately.
Here's how you can practice. 1. Listen to podcasts, news, or YouTube videos in English for 15 to 20 minutes daily. 2. Write down 3 to 5 things you understood. 3. Practice responding to what you heard. For example, if someone says, "I had a busy day," you can respond, "Oh really? What did you do?"
Listening actively improves your vocabulary, comprehension, and confidence in responding naturally.
Week 4 is all about real-life practice. Now you put everything together, confidence, vocabulary, and listening.
Here's your daily plan. 1. Talk to friends or family in English for at least 10 minutes. 2. Role-play common situations, ordering food, asking directions, job interviews. 3. Focus on body language and tone. Smile, maintain eye contact, speak slowly.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Every conversation is a step forward.
Let's try an example.
Hi Alex, how was your day?
It was good. I finished my work early and went for a walk.
That sounds nice. Where did you walk? See, simple, natural, and conversational.
To make this 30-day plan successful, consistency is key. Here are some habits. 1. Speak at least 5 sentences in English daily. 2. Write a short journal about your day in English. 3. Record your voice or video weekly to track progress. 4. Review new words and phrases daily.
Consistency is more important than intensity. Even 10 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week.
Learning communication skills can be challenging, but remember, small daily steps lead to big results.
Don't get discouraged by mistakes. They are proof that you are learning.
Celebrate small wins, like successfully greeting a stranger or completing a conversation without hesitation.
And after 30 days, you'll notice more confidence, fluency, and clarity in your communication.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you feel motivated to start your 30-day communication journey.
Start today, practice daily, and watch yourself transform into a confident communicator.
Remember, confidence jor practice jor consistency equals better communication. Bye, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Spoken English Without Fear. Thank you for watching.